Hey guys, it's me again. Look, I forgot to add the corn to the Mexican, not corn, cheese. I forgot to add the cheese. Calls for 3 cups of shredded cheese, and I forgot to add it. I did add another cup, as you can tell, another can of corn. Because those were very little cans that I had, and you're supposed to have like 3 of the normal size cans. Okay, so now, okay, let's get the cheese stirred in, and then Dusty is asleep, so I'm gonna let it sit in the refrigerator covered until she wakes up, and then it'll be good and cold for her. So y'all don't forget your your cheese. I sure did. I kept looking at it and thinking something is missing, something is missing, something is missing. And then it finally dawned on me. Last Sunday I said, is cheese supposed to be in this corn dip? She said, yeah. I said, I knew it. So anyway, there we go. Now it's looking more like it's supposed to look, guys. So, there we go. To reiterate what I put in it, 1 cup sour cream, 1 cup mayonnaise. I put 3 small cans of the Mexican corn. You really need 3 of the regular size cans, or add another can of corn. Just plain corn would be good. 3 cups of cheese, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I always add chili powder, that's up to y'all. Salt, pepper, and that's it. All right, and cheese. Don't forget your cheese. Oh, 1 small can, the little 6-ounce can of diced jalapenos, and a 6-ounce can of green chilies. All right, and that's it, guys. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator to get cold for her. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Let Mo put on a dress. She needs to talk to y'all and stir the corn. Get right over here. Get right over here. Oh, right there. Okay, stay over there. Well, you'll have a dress. You gotta have a shirt on. You cannot get on with no clothes. Oh goodness. Y'all wait for them. Wait for them. Okay, baby. Okay. Okay, here comes the little cook. Oh, she don't have her apron. Sonny, where's her apron?
Should be right there in the front. Well, her neck rag. Now her apron is hung up in her closet. I got to get it out.
Oh, her cooking apron is?
Yeah, cooking apron. There's their neck towels right here that they got.
Okay.
But her cooking apron is
A little chef hat. Come on. Now you're a real chef. Okay. Now tell them what you're doing. And what do you have in here? Corn, cheese, jalapenos. You can't say jalapenos? Green chilies, mayonnaise, sour cream, salt, pepper, cumin. You can say that, cumin. And garlic powder. And say, Mammy always likes chili powder just a little bit. Just tell her just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, stir it up. Okay.
Mommy, let me wait for me. I need something.
Oh, she's got to go get something, guys. Something.
yeah, she needs something.
I don't want to.
You don't want to do this? Look, tell you people what you're doing.
I didn't pop
Corn.
corn.
Say Mexican corn dip.
Mexican corn dip.
Yeah.
Here's yours.
Yours is right here.
This is yours. Nice to see you.
I can turn it where they can see you.
I do that. Not me.
Hey, let's don't fight over it. Let's don't fight over it. Let me get y'all, where's the corn chips and let them taste one or tortilla or something.
Me don't want to taste it.
You don't want to taste it?
You want to taste it?
You gonna taste it, Chef? Or said, that don't look like something she'd eat. No, we don't need them. Oh, you gonna put just a little bit more cheese in it. No. That'll be plenty of cheese.
Mama, I don't know.
Okay, now you gotta stir it up. Okay. Okay.
You sure?
All right.
Alright.
All right. Tell them thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
So we'll see you next time.
Next time.
So on the flip side,
On the flip side.
no more cheese. We're not adding any more cheese. Oh, you eating some cheese? Okay. She's eating cheese, guys.
And me don't like that.
All right, guys. We're fixing to jump off from here.
Hands.
We love you, and we'll talk to you later. All right.